He burns coffee grounds in his backyard. The reason: genius. Well, I really think that we all love the hot summer days, but nobody likes the mosquitoes. And we change the fact that these two things go along right. Mosquitoes can be a huge nuisance. Most of the mosquito repellent products are loaded with chemicals, which is the main reason why using these products to keep the mosquitoes away is not on the top of everyone's wish list. You should know that the first mosquito repellent has been on the market since 1956. Not many people like these mosquito repelling products, because they don't like the smell, and they are also scared of the adverse effects of DEET in sprays and are more prone to getting bit by these boring bugs. Using chemical insecticides can be hazardous. DEET, N-diethylmetatoluamide, is the active ingredient in many mosquito repellents. The Environmental Protection Agency has deemed DEET safe for human use, but still posts a list of warnings in its use. You'll be shocked when we tell you that up to 56% of DEET applied topically penetrates intact human skin and 17% is absorbed into the bloodstream. Blood concentrations of about 3 mg per liter have been reported several hours after DEET repellent was applied to skin in the prescribed fashion. DEET is also absorbed by the gut. As we said, unfortunately the commercial bug repellents are expensive, toxic, and don't always work as well as they should. They also have serious side effects, including breathing difficulty, coughing, loss of alertness, tremors, seizures, upset stomach, nausea and vomiting, insomnia and mood changes, hives or mild skin redness and irritation on area sprayed, blistering, burns, and permanent scars, burning and redness of the eyes, nose, and throat. An odd natural trick. Well, you should forget all about the citronella and DEET and just grab your morning coffee. How this works? Well, mosquitoes, just like many other bugs, have a large quantity of distinct odorant receptors. This makes them sensitive to certain strong smells, like the smell of smoke. And to be honest with you, one of the best ways to keep mosquitoes away is to burn coffee grounds, which emit a very strong scent and produce a lot of smoke. You can use fresh grounds or bone-dry used grounds. All you have to do is place the grounds in a bit of aluminum paper or an aluminum baking tray and burn it as you would incense. Note: loose grounds can fly in the wind and start a fire, so it's best to slightly moisten the coffee and to pack 2 tablespoons of the mixture into a cupcake mold, leaving it to dry for a few days before use. And for stubborn mosquitoes, you can add a few bay leaves into the mix. You will be amazed by the results. Coffee grounds will keep bugs away, so feel free to burn it on your porch or in a well-ventilated area of your home, but do not use it near your garden, as it can deter pollinators like bees and wasps. If possible, let the smoke flow towards you for best results. And you can place as many burning grounds around you as you need. The odor and smoke emitted also works as a repellent for ants, slugs, and snails. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.